You're hearing a Chuck Will's widow, besides dogs. Something riled up the dogs over there, more than likely a bear. We have one Chuck Will's widow over here in my yard, and one across the road over there in the little bit of the forest. They will call back and forth all night long. Chuck Will's widow. For you city folks, you're not going to hear that. Some folks might never heard a Chuck Will's widow. I'll put a picture in here in this because there's not much to look at but darkness. This will go on all night long, every night, for weeks. Squirrelhood, after dark. Like, subscribe, share, and comment, and all that stuff.